Hi, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'm going to talk through how to change your Facebook account password. When a hacker breaks into your Facebook account, they have instant access to a treasure trove of data about you. This can include your contact information, personal information, work history, who your friends and family members are, the content in any messages you've sent or received through Facebook Messenger, private pictures, potentially financial information, and much, much more. Additionally, they can also get into any websites or accounts you use Facebook to log into. One thing you can do to keep hackers out of your Facebook account is to change your password on a regular basis, ideally every 90 days. This video will walk you through how to change your Facebook password on both the Facebook website and in the Facebook mobile app. We'll start with how to change your Facebook password in the Facebook mobile app for the iPhone, iPad, Android, Windows, and Amazon devices. Step 1. Launch the Facebook mobile app. You'll land on your Facebook home screen. Step 2. Tap the menu icon in the lower right corner of the screen. The menu icon features 3 horizontal lines. A menu appears on the screen. Step 3. Scroll down to the Settings section and then tap Settings. A menu flies up from the bottom of the screen. Step 4. Tap Account Settings in the menu that appears. The settings screen appears. Step 5. Tap Security and Login toward the top part of the screen. The Security and Login option features a police badge to the left of it. The Security and Login screen appears. Step 6. Scroll down to the Login section and then tap Change Password in the Login section. The Change Password screen appears. Step 7. Enter your current password in the Current Password field, and then enter your new password in the New Password and Retype New Password fields. Tap the blue Save Changes button after filling in all 3 fields. The Logout of Other Devices screen appears. In this example, we'll select Stay Logged In and click the blue Continue button. The Password Changed dialog box closes and you're returned to the Security and Login screen. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your Facebook password. And now, let's talk through how to change your Facebook password through a web browser. Step 1. Open a web browser and navigate to facebook.com and then log into your Facebook account if you're not logged in already. You'll land on your Facebook home screen. Step 2. Click the down pointing arrow that appears in the menu row to the right of your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu appears. Step 3. Click Settings. The General Account Settings screen appears. Step 4. Select Security and Login in the menu on the left side of the screen. The Security and Login screen appears. Step 5. Click Edit to the right of Change Password. The Change Password section expands. Step 6. Enter the current password associated with your Facebook account in the Current field. Enter your new password in the New field and then again in the Retype New field. Click the blue Save Changes button. The Password Changed dialog box appears, asking if you want to review other devices associated with your account or continue and stay logged in to your Facebook account. In this example, we'll select Stay Logged In and click the blue Continue button. The Password Changed dialog box closes and you're returned to the Security and Login screen. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your Facebook password. Thanks for watching. Click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.